Hello, Lovey. So today we'll be trying out the Sevich products that we received from our friends from Sevich Mall, and we will be trying out first the Dust It Texture Hair Volume Powder Light Control, which is in a 8-gram bottle. This will be used if your hair is kinda oily, so it will help out lessen the oil in your hair so that it can help in styling your hair better. So the Sevich Volume Powder will provide you to build a natural puffy hair in seconds. This is suitable for women and men. Just make sure you open the bottle and put it on your dry palm. Apply it to the area which you think needs a bit more puff. The next product we have in line is the Sevich Rosemary Hair Serum. It's in a 30 ml bottle, and this is perfect for hair and skincare. If you didn't know, rosemary actually helps in hair growth. So if you have problems with hair loss, this is the best product to apply in the areas wherein you can see that there are already hair baldness or thinning hair. So it's a very light bottle. You can bring it wherever you want. Just apply it after taking a bath to the areas where you have seen hair thinning and hair loss. Once again, this is the Rosemary Hair Serum. The next product we have here is the Sevich Argan Oil Hair Mask, which hydrates, moisturizes, and repairs your hair. And this is in a bottle of 80 grams. So please take note, hair masks are supposed to be used while you are taking a bath. So this is just for demo purposes, and this is best used when the hair is wet. So what I usually do is I apply it on my palm and then lather it or massage it on my scalp and my hair. So you just need to make sure you rinse it well after the massage part because this might seem a bit heavy if ever you won't rinse it after. So once again, this is the Sevich Argan Oil Hair Mask which hydrates, moisturizes, and repairs your hair. Also, if you're looking for a product to apply whenever you're going to swim in the ocean or swimming pool, you can also use this hair mask or simply other conditioners.